Did you know that you can create node groups within Cybersecurity Workplace in order to help organize maintenance activities in your environment? You must first ensure that the maintenance group functionality is enabled within your base configuration. You can do so by navigating to Settings, selecting System Utilities, and then navigating to Module Management. Once there, navigate to the base configuration and ensure that Maintenance View Groups has been enabled. Once enabled, we can navigate to the module settings under System Tools and select Maintenance. Within the Maintenance Group section, you have the ability to add as well as modify existing maintenance groups. To create a new maintenance group, simply click Add Maintenance Group. Here, you'll be prompted to first provide a name to the group. Then, you will be required to select the nodes you wish to add to that particular group. In addition to adding the nodes, you also have the ability to change the order of those nodes. This is important to maintenance operations as group actions are executed in sequential order. Once completed, simply click Add to create the new group within your Maintenance Groups section. Once your groups have been created, you can navigate back to Security, select your Maintenance tab, and now you'll see that you have a selection for Node or Group View. Select Group View in order to display your newly created maintenance groups. From here, you'll see that you'll have actions specific to the individual nodes, as well as group actions to help organize maintenance activities throughout your environment.